Integra Racing Shocks and Springs is consistently researching and upgrading our products to improve the ways racers can streamline the tuning of their vehicles. Our new Avenger shock NSV fill assembly incorporates the latest technology to aid the racer in gassing and setting the pressure for Avenger non-Schrader valve shocks. First, screw the fill plug into your shock, finger tight. Apply grease to the head of the screw. Next, put the screw onto a No. 2 Phillips head bit located on the end of the driver, and then pull all the way out. Make sure to clean the fill plug in the shock and the area around it to ensure a good seal. Slide your shock into the fill fixture and using a 1/2 inch bolt, secure the shock in place. Turn the fill fixture guide in until it seats on the fill plug. Do not over-tighten. This could cut the O-ring, resulting in a poor seal. Gas the shock up and set the pressure. Push the driver in and thread the screw in until it's tight. Back off the fill fixture guide. You will hear a small amount of gas escape. This is normal. Remove the bolt and take your shock out of the fixture. Check to make sure the screw is tight. Then grind out the head of the screw to conform to the requirements of your sanctioning body. Please visit our website for more information on this new Avenger NSV fill assembly and thousands of other fine quality, high performance products. We're Integra Racing Shocks and Springs, suspension control for champions.